Hi guys, it's Eric from Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering in beautiful downtown Warren. The safety and well-being of our customers and employees has always been our top priority, and never has that duty to serve been clearer than it is today. That's why we at Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering are making changes to many of our procedures to employ stringent cleaning and safety practices to support the health and wellness of our customers, employees, and vendors. Now that Ohio has begun to ease the stay-at-home shelter-in-place orders, we at Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering are bringing back our full workforce and plan to be at full capacity quickly. It's important that everyone understand the steps we've taken to protect all of the customers and employees from exposure to COVID-19 and any other coronaviruses. The Center for Disease Control, the CDC, and the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, have issued guidance on preparing workplaces to guard against exposure to COVID-19. In addition, the state of Ohio has issued standards, and we will apply and follow those standards. Whether mandated or just considered suggestions, these guidelines are being applied to minimize everyone's risk and exposure to customers, vendors, or employees. Number one, each vendor and employee should verify that they have not had, nor have they been exposed to anyone who has had COVID-19 or symptoms of the virus. This verification should include daily checks of temperature and symptoms. Customers are encouraged to follow those same precautions. Number two, if any employee is feeling sick or showing signs of the coronavirus, they will be sent home and they may not return to work until they have tested negative for the coronavirus. Number three, we are limiting the number of employees and contractors present at any one time in our showroom and warehouses. Number four, Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering requires both employees and customers to practice social distancing by mandating that they remain at least 6 feet apart where at all possible. Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering has provided each of our employees and subcontractors with a mask and required that those masks be worn properly when engaging with the public. It makes sense for the customers and vendors to follow those same rules. Number six, all employees of Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering are required to wash their hands with soap and frequently use hand sanitizer. Customers are encouraged to follow this same practice as well. Number seven, Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering will clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces, including sales counters, samples, telephones, and doorknobs. We implore our vendors, customers, subcontractors, and suppliers to diligently follow these rules to ensure their own safety as well as the health and safety of everyone. Taking these steps will not absolutely eliminate the risk of exposing someone to the coronavirus, but it will greatly minimize that risk. Moreover, Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering will monitor state and local governments to ensure that we continue to follow any additional requirements or guidelines necessary to protect the safety and health of all of us. Thank you for welcoming us back.